Hi, I'm Sarah and I will be leading a level 2 groups workshop soon here in Marlow, just a little west of London, in April and May. In this really exciting and practical workshop, you get lots and lots of hands-on time learning how to use the 10-step integral process that the Sound Healing Academy uses for delivering group work. This could be sound baths for general public, or it could be sound baths in schools or working in a corporate setting. Maybe you do some yoga work and you want to start to deliver sound baths with your yoga or partner up with somebody else. Maybe you're thinking about festivals or sound baths for ceremonies. There's no end to the different sound bath types that you can have a go at practicing and implementing. The course is delivered over 2 weekends. We do quite a lot of the theoretical stuff in the first weekend, and then in the second 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we start to then work in small groups, practicing and prepping and thinking about sound baths and applying all that we've learned in that first couple of days, so that everybody goes away having played a lot of instruments, having developed a real lovely confidence in every aspect of delivering the sound baths, right from the prep stage right the way through to what you do afterwards and aftercare for your clients, and how to think about building up your business too. We've got a few spots left, so if you're considering coming on, then you can give me a call. You can find out more by looking at the website, looking at the course page, and hope to see you there.